This is the Big Bertha 1.0. This is the Big Bertha 3.0. I just love this screened-in porch right here. Beautiful. You can relax, take it easy on the swing, enjoy your views on your land. Isn't that pretty? Keep them bugs out of your back. Pretty. These are built by the Amish, and we ship them nationwide. Give me a call if y'all are interested in getting a beautiful Amish built cabin. These are modular cabins, which means that they are built to move and set on a foundation in perpetuity. So, not meant to be moved around. They're meant to be moved one time and stay put on top of a foundation just like any other home. So again, we have a bunch of different choices to choose from, but this is just what we got on the lot right now. You go inside the Big Bertha 1.0 and you can see you got 2 lofted bedrooms up on the 2nd floor that is connected by the catwalk. See the catwalk right here? There's your back door. You got your little living room over here. And then over here, you got your little dining room nook where you can sit down, relax, have a meal with the family. Beautiful handcrafted live edge table. Everybody can sit, have their coffee and breakfast or dinner. You already got a spot here cut out for your kitchen sink, right? Which lines up perfectly where you can look out to your porch and out to your land. Put you a big farm sink right here. And now remember, this is just a shell, right? So if you wanted it for us to do a turnkey, we can also do a turnkey where we'll put in, you see this is a spot for your refrigerator. This is a spot for your stove. So if you want a turnkey, we'll put all the electric in it, the plumbing, the heating, the cooling, the tubs, the toilets, the sinks. We'll do it all up for you if you want us to do a turnkey. This room right here, put you a laundry room / pantry. Over there, and then here put you a bathroom, okay, tub, toilet, and sink, okay. Again, look at them beautiful knotty pine floors. Beautiful, isn't that pretty? Under the stairs, this is typically where they put your electrical panel, 200 amp, and then you got the upstairs that takes you up to the 2nd floor lofts, which we're going to go up there here in a little bit. So again, let me close the door so you can see what this looks like with the door closed. This one is just shy of 800 square feet. Again, this is the one we call the Big Bertha 1.0. One of the more famous cabins on the lot, one of the more popular ones. This one is only $79,900 as is, or you can buy it fully turnkey, move-in ready for $110,000. So, isn't that cool? Again, you got the catwalk up here that connects both the bedrooms up on the 2nd floor, and they're lofted bedrooms. So this is a lofted cabin. Let's take you upstairs and show you what that looks like. Again, there's your catwalk that connects both the rooms. One of the things you'll notice that what we did here is we kept that room open and we kept this room walled off. Just to show y'all we can do it either way, or we can wall them both off if you want us to. The options is wide open, so just let us know how you want us to do it. You come upstairs and voila. Remember too, these ceilings ain't low. I'm 6'6", and look, my head ain't nowhere near hitting the ceiling, and I'm 6'6". There's the downstairs area with your live edge table. There's the back area there, back door. And again, we can wall this off and privatize it if you want us to, or keep it open. And voila, there you go. So you see, got a nice space. You probably get you a queen size bed in here, no problem. Get you a queen size bed or a couple of bunk beds for the kids, right? And you come this way and you got bedroom number 2, which again, it's like that A-frame style bedroom. The walls come up probably about, I'd say, 18 inches on the side or so, and then it goes up to the peak, okay? So let me close the door so you see what it looks like with the door closed. And now you're in your own little bedroom here, privatized, ready to go. Okay, so super cool cabin, built by the Amish. We ship them nationwide. This is the Big Bertha 1.0. You go back downstairs real quick. Again, there's that famous catwalk. Okay, go on downstairs. Take my time with it here. I don't want to crash and burn making a video. All right, again, there's your setup. And let's go back outside and show you what the outside of it looks like again. Oh, the sun's starting to come out now. That's what I'm talking about. Oh yes, there we go. Sun's coming out now, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. So that's what the cabin looks like. You got your metal roof, green. You can change the color. You can change the color of the stain. Just a super cool cabin, guys. Let me go way back so you can see the peak here. Built by the Amish. We ship it nationwide. Give us a call and let's get you a cabin out on that land. Let me scoot way back here. Get y'all all the angles. Get y'all all the angles here. And again, I really like that screened in porch. You got your swing in there. Again, this is an all wood cabin, right? So you got these 4x6s. You can see them stacked on top of each other. Solid wood walls. And then you got that gray matter in between them, which is called chinking or chink or log jam. See that? And that's what seals the cabin, keeping the cold air out and the cool air in when you're running your heating and cooling. You'll notice something up here. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but let me show you here. See that? Those little black things up there? Those are the hinges that allow the allow the roof and the porch actually to fold flat for transportation. So that triangular part up there is going to fold down and the whole roof is going to fold flat. And that's how we're able to ship these things all over God's country now, because the roof folds flat for transportation. And all these the screens here are panelized. There's 5 panels. Those come out, the swing goes in the cabin, and all these railings come out into the cabin for transportation. So that's how we're able to ship these cabins all over the United States. So with that said, guys, again, this cabin is $79,000, just like you see it, or $110,000 fully loaded with electric, plumbing, heating, cooling, tubs, toilets, and sinks in it, turn the key and move-in ready. That's appliances and all. Now, let's say you just want this cabin with electric. Well, instead of it being $79,900, it's going to be $89,900 because we charge $10,000 to put the electric package in it. Let's say you just want it with electric and plumbing. Well, it's $10,000 for electric and then $10,000 for your plumbing rough-ins, where we'll put in all your tubs, toilets, and sinks, rough it all in for you, get all your plumbing going, and we'll put your tankless water heater or 40-gallon water heater in it. So again, you could buy like this for $79,900. You can buy it with electric for $89,900. You can buy it with electric and plumbing rough-ins for $99,900, or you can buy it fully turnkey, where we'll do the mini splits and all the other stuff that's going to be done to it. We can do that too for $110,000. Okay, so then of course you got shipping and installation, which just depends on where you're located. So with that said, give us a call at 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. And let's see what we can do to get you a beautiful cabin out on your land, okay? Thank you for tuning in, guys. And remember, too, this is just me talking about the Big Bertha 1.0. We also got the Big Bertha 3.0. I had a 2.0 over here in the middle, but I sold it, so I don't have one of them. I got the El Chapo 2.0. I got the Rustic El Chapo 1.0. I got the Villa ADU behind my truck. You can see I got the shipping container. And then over there, I got the Carrot Top rustic cabin. So that's just what I got on my lot. Obviously, on the website, we got a lot more things for y'all to choose from. Again, hit the like, share, and follow button so you don't miss my future content. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. And again, reach out to me anytime at 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. Thank you, and you all have a wonderful and blessed day.